Comparing all elements of two tuples, with all functionality. So I know that comparisons on tuples work lexicographically. Tuples and lists are compared lexicographically using comparison of corresponding elements. This means that to compare equal, each element must compare equal and the two sequences must be of the same type and have the same length. If not equal, the sequences are ordered the same as their first differing elements. For example, CMP 12x, 12y returns the same as CMP xy. If the corresponding element does not exist, the shorter sequence is ordered first, for example, 1 2, 1 2 3. So from this. But I want to compare all elements of two tuples in order, so functionally I want something akin to using values from above. As an example in practice, for something like screen coordinates, if you wanted to check if something was inside the screen at 0 0, but done a comparison like chord is greater than 0 0, if the x chord was bigger than 0, but the y chord was smaller, it would still return true, which isn't what is needed in this case. As sort of a sub-question discussion, I am not sure why comparing two tuples of different values is returned in such a way. You are not given any sort of index, so the only thing you get from comparing a tuple that isn't testing equality is that at some point in the tuple, one of the comparisons will throw a true or false value when they are not equal. How could you take advantage of that?
You can achieve this with a list comprehension and the zip built-in. You can use all, or any, on the return list.
Replace A is greater than B with tuple. I is greater than J for I, J in zip, A, B. In your second code sample.
You might consider using the following vectorized approach, which is usually more performant and syntactically/semantically very clear. NumPy is quite performant, and the resulting objects above also embed the any/all query methods you want. If you will be performing vector-like operations, as your screen coordinates example suggests, you may consider working with A and B as number py arrays instead of tuples. That results in the most efficient implementation of what you seek, no preconversion necessary, and Python-based loops are replaced with efficient number py-based loops. This is worth highlighting because there are 2 and potentially 3 loops involved. 1. The preprocessing loop during conversion, which you can eliminate. 2. An item-by-item comparison loop, and 3. The query loop to answer the any/all question. Note that I could have also created a number py array from B, but not doing so eliminated one conversion step and preprocessing time. Since that approach results in one operand being a number py array and the other a tuple, as the sequences grow, that may/may not result in less speedy item-by-item comparisons, which strict number py to numpy is good at. Try it. Smiley face.
I felt like the use of map and lambda functions was missing from the answers.
To get the described behavior, try. The reason that comparisons of tuples are returned in that way is that you might want to write something like, if Python were to return the tuple that you describe, then the else would never happen. Try. I hope this helps.
Do you want to look it up?